Hey friends, welcome back to Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. I'm Mary Ellen, and around here we celebrate every season and holiday with creativity, laughter, and a little bit of mess. From plant-based recipes and DIY crafts and simple ways to make everyday moments special, I'm learning as I go, and I'm so glad you're here to learn, laugh, and grow right along with me. Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite vegan Instant Pot recipes. A creamy tomato soup that's 100% plant-based, dairy-free, and deliciously comforting. This easy Instant Pot soup recipe is perfect for fall and winter, packed with flavor and creamy goodness without any cream. You can find this recipe and more cozy favorites in my Soup Cookbook, full of vegan soups, stews, and wholesome comfort food that are family-friendly and budget-friendly. Ingredients: 2 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, 1 small onion, 3 medium carrots, 3/4 cup of vegetable broth, 1 cup full-fat coconut milk, 1/4 cup fresh basil, 2 teaspoons sugar, salt and pepper. How to make it: clean and chop your carrots, onions, and basil. Set your Instant Pot to sauté. Water sauté your onions first for about 1 minute. Add your tomatoes, coconut milk, and basil. Add your vegetable broth. Add your carrots. Add sugar. Thoroughly stir. Seal your lid and pressure cook for 5 minutes. Once finished cooking, allow your pressure to slow release. Blend with an immersion blender till you have reached your desired consistency. Salt and pepper to taste. And that's it, a creamy dairy-free tomato soup made right in your Instant Pot that's perfect for those chilly fall and winter nights. This vegan comfort food is simple, wholesome, and sure to become a go-to favorite for the whole family. If you enjoyed this recipe, grab a copy of my Soup Cookbook for more easy plant-based soups and stews that make eating healthy a breeze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hype it and subscribe, and hit that little bell so you never miss the next bit of creative chaos. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me what you're learning or creating lately. And don't forget, you can find a link to the written instructions and my cookbook down in the description below. Until next time, remember, life is messy, but we're learning as we grow.